Friday, everybody! So I'm really excited to share this amazing news. Thursday was my day off officially. Friday was like, okay, like should I sleep in or should I take a class? So I took a cycling class. Got to my phone once I was done with the class with great, amazing news from my friend Silvio. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. He told me that he was gonna give me his Totality Festival pass, and all I needed to get was my car camping pass. Couldn't believe it. I was just like, what? Because he had mentioned that he was going to this event this weekend, and then I saw the price and I was like, I'm not too sure if I could afford that. I don't think I'm gonna go. I might have to pass. The thing is that when I went on the website, I didn't see that they offered 1-day pass, 2-day passes, not like the entire weekend. And I didn't know that, or else I would have gotten it. It's for a reason that I didn't see that, and that my friend ended up gifting me this. So I'm driving through the Los Angeles forest right now to get there. I'm probably gonna get there around 7:30 p.m. It won't be pitch dark yet. It's the perfect time to get there. It won't be too hot. I won't be setting up camp because I'll be sleeping in my car. I still have like 3 hours left, or 2 hours and 50 minutes. Some events were opening up, but I couldn't go to them, and I have to be very careful because, you know, I get tested at work. I haven't been able to travel, so I felt like a caged bird and I couldn't fly. But this is going to be a beautiful release. So I want to say thank you to the festival. I'm so glad that it's happening. Thank you, Silvio. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going on this by myself on a whim. Hope to run into my friend there. I don't know about the service. And let's see what's ahead. Do you know what time it is? It's time to, you know, well, you'll find out.
Beat at a time. Just feel it hard for a second now. Just tune in to the moment, to the now, to those around you.
Did you know that when you eat a mushroom, you're eating an alien?
What?
All mushrooms come from space. Say it with me, guys. All mushrooms come from space. Did you know that spores can survive in the vacuum of space? Spores. Did you know that spores are the hardest known organic material? Spores are the hardest organic material known to man. Hardest.
7:30 a.m. I just left the festival because I have something to do before 1 o'clock. I have like 3.5 hours. I just want to make sure that if there is some traffic and I do make some pit stops, I have time to get there and I'm not super rushing it. It was nice that right now, as I was exiting the bathroom, I saw someone from the women's circle from yesterday, and I just told her like the 3 artists that I saw at the end of the night that were like the highlights. She's like, well, I'm so glad you're being responsible and glad you came and happy integration. And I was like, thank you so much. That was really a really beautiful experience, and I met so many lovely goddesses, and that makes my heart really happy. It's a lot of women that do the work, the inner work, their shadow work, and uplifting of other women, and reminding us that we are powerful and that we have to take back our power. It's our birthright, you know? And a lot of the time society has shamed us. I mean, women are overall powerful. If you're bringing life into this world, from the spiritual world to the physical, like, you're not gonna tell me we're not fucking powerful. So I just wanted to say that. And look at this like sun right here. As you can see, everything in the back, like, I missed all of this. I learned so much, and it's just what I needed. This is why I like to go to transformational events, festivals, being with other people that are elevating themselves in this world. It's really important to try to work towards being your highest self. We have so much potential, guys, and a lot of us don't even tap into it. Not even a smidgen. And I've had a taste, but then, you know, there was a stall in things in life and our society, you know, that stopped gatherings. They're starting to come back slowly, and I'm here for it. I'm happy to be here and experience this. Life is about experiences. I learned this a long time ago, and I promised myself that I would never not participate anymore. I don't watch people live life. I don't watch others chase their dreams and goals and be who they want to be. I become all those things. I do all those things. I deserve to participate and live life and, you know, experience all the juicy goodness life has to offer. There's a lot, and we all don't get to taste all of it, but I want to taste it as much as I can when I can, and I'm not going to stop myself. Here's to living life to the fullest and following your bliss. A vow I took a long time ago was to do that, to always be drifting through this life, chasing my bliss. And that is how I came up with Blissfully Drifting, pretty much. But at another time, maybe I'll word it better. But for now, that's just what feels right.